Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Arjav's Little World. Today we are in a grocery store. We came here to buy carrots.
We came here to make some carrots.
We came here to make carrots?
No, buy carrots.
Buy carrots.
We came here to buy carrots.
Yes, to make what?
To me, carrot halwas.
Yes, so we're going to make carrot halwa.
And it's the color orange.
Uh-huh.
And in the top is the color green. And there's a plant also in the top. And in the down there's a carrots.
There is carrots, right?
I need this carrot.
You need that carrot? What are we going to make with it?
Carrot halwa.
Carrot halwa. What does carrot starts with? What alphabet is carrot?
C.
Good job.
This is orange carrots and this is white carrots and this is broccoli and one thing here.
What is that?
Sticks.
Sticks? They're selling sticks here? Alright, come back.
I'm buying one carrot for the rabbit and one carrot for the meat.
Okay.
And it's the color orange.
It's color orange?
Yeah, and the top of it is green.
What is that?
Green.
What is that green thing on that?
It's a plant.
It's a plant?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
See, it's orange. My favorite color, orange.
Yes?
And my favorite food also, orange.
Good. You want to get some?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put it in a bag. Hold on. No, we don't need the stick of it. Thank you, Arjav.
I like orange.
You like orange? See, there's so many other orange fruits. You see that?
Peaches.
Peaches are also?
Yummy.
What color?
That's also orange.
So today we are going to be making a healthy, yummy snack for Arjav. This is a sweet carrot halwa. For this we need some carrots. I'm just going to shred it. So let's peel it first. Peel all the carrots, wash them, and let's get it shredded. I have washed, peeled the carrots. Now we're just gonna shred it using this shredder. It's up to you how much you want. For kids, it's really good, so you can pour a little bit more. So I'm gonna put the carrots in this one. Let it cook in the ghee. No need to pour water at this stage. You can close it and cook it for 10 minutes. Keep checking so it doesn't get burnt or stick to the bottom. At this stage, let's add sugar. So because I took 5 carrots, I'm gonna take half a cup of sugar. say 3 minutes. add a pinch of cardamom powder. Cover and cook. Wait for some more time till the carrots absorb the milk completely. So once all the milk is absorbed, let's lower the flame and add condensed milk. This is the same proportion as the milk, half a cup. Again, let's cover and cook for 5 more minutes. At this stage, we can add a little bit more of ghee. This stage, carrot is very well cooked. So our halwa is ready. Let's serve it into a bowl. And let's just garnish it with some dry fruits. Here I've taken badam, just almonds. So our yummy carrot halwa is ready.